join me. We'll finish our activity first before we go out and have fun today.
A few moments later.
Right now, while wearing greeting, ready I am dancing and playing with the dog. We prepare to go our choice destination, and we even ati at inasal with my sister.
2,000 years later. 1 hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later. A few moments later. Just then, later. End of flashback.
We decide to go GNV because it's near us. We bought some food early since it's just a short walk away. My cousin and I walking here. We weird now, guys. It's only took us 5 minutes to walk.
Nice.
We sat down with my cousin, Ate Enchanted, for a while. After that, we went swimming. It was so refreshing. You guys all come here and swimming too, whether it's with your friends or cousin. Enjoy your solving here.
Oh my God! Wow!
By the way, I was vlogging but one of my cousin was trying to take over and a vlog standard. my blog of Gian B. Rizal.